guys, today we're going to make a Bengali sweet dish called DOODH Chitoi Pitha. It's very easy to make with this tutorial and it tastes very delicious and creamy. So let's begin with the ingredients. 1.5 litres of any type of milk you want, half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of jaggery, cinnamon sticks, green cardamons. In a pot, heat up your milk. Add in your jaggery and let that melt into the milk. Add in your cinnamon and cardamons. Give that a gentle stir. Next, add in your sugar and let that dissolve into the milk. Let the milk come to a boil. So we left the milk to come to a boil for 10 minutes, and then after that we're going to turn off the flame and leave this at the side and get on with the dough. 2 cups of rice flour, a quarter cup of shredded coconut. We're using fresh coconut, half a teaspoon of salt and water required. So in a bowl we're going to combine our rice flour and salt first. And then gradually pour in your water, not all of it at once. Once you made the mixture into a runny batter, add in your coconut and combine. So there is a special tray for this pita, but we don't have that with us, so we're just using a regular pot. Can be done in anything, to be honest. And now we're adding 1 spoon of our runny mixture that we made earlier, and then we're going to cover it with the lid. If there's any gaps or holes in the lid, make sure you seal them. Then leave this for 3 minutes. So that's done, and we're going to put this in our milk that we boiled earlier and let that soak in there. So here we have nice, creamy, delicious DOODH Chitoi Pitha. We're just going to garnish it with a little bit of pistachios. This is optional. We're just doing this to add a bit of colour and extra crunch. This is a very tasty Bengali dessert, and we'll love if you try it. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload, and like this video, comment down below on what you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, bye.